welcome to Everything with Reeve. Today we're gonna be making a banana split smoothie. First, we're gonna add the ice. Next, we're gonna add the milk. Next, we're gonna add the yogurt, the Greek yogurt. One more scoop. Next, we're gonna add the bananas. Now we're gonna add the strawberries. Oh, my blender's almost all the way filled. Next, we're gonna add some honey. Oh, can't forget this special ingredient, chocolate syrup. Now this you can go free on. Put as much as you want. It's drowning. Okay, now it's time to blend. Smells like a banana smoothie. Oh, geez. Tippy top. I got a bendy straw, like Mickey. Perfect. Doesn't taste chocolatey at all. Maybe we should add more chocolate. Just a drizzle more of chocolate will make the medicine go down in the most delightful way. Way better. I think it's perfect. I recommend you put a lot of extra syrup at the end. What smoothie do you want me to make next? Comment below what you think. Thanks for watching Everything with Reeve. Cheers!